Hello my loving friends, I am Satish Sankla. Today's my topic is love. So every young person wants to understand to answer what is love. So love is not defined in words, love is amazing. So such persons make illusions. Love means dependency, that one person marry another person, so it depends on this person, but it depends on fear of socially, family and our society. It can be fearless on his person, he love and care on this person, because he is not care, he is not love, so each person is dropped. But this is love, this is not love. Love is not dependent, love is freedom. Love is freedom. Love depends on belief, and beliefs depends on truth. So every person has a very big problem. It is what is true. True is our reality. True is all the real world entities are true. True is our nature. True is our decision, and all the things, our emotional are the things are true. So true is, and our situation, our decisions are make our future. So every person's make our future is very strong, and its goals, every person goals after 5 years, after 10 years, he achieve their goals. He makes a decision that he is engineer, he is policeman, he is businessman, he is engineer, and everything are he know. So you can achieve their goals, that our future. But this is love. Love means many types. Family loves, friendships loves, birds love, animals love, our nature's love, any types of love. But love is not understood in words. Love are many things, and many persons plans in future that you achieve in their goals. So you can achieve their goals in future, because I can do it, we can do it, and everything can do it. But this is not right way. Right way is our real world things, human beings, animals and anything are not man-made. It is naturally, it is God's. He want to see him God. We have worked for them, as the people, for the people and by the people. This is right way. So you can achieve your goals, because it is possible for you. Thank you.